In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a link in a new tab in Carrd if you're looking to enhance your users' browsing experience by directing them to external links without taking them away from your site. This guide is perfect for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Carrd editor. This is your starting point for making any changes or updates to your Carrd website. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to decide on which element you want to link. This could be anything from a button, image, or even a piece of text, wherever you feel it will be most effective or necessary for your users. Now that you've selected your element, navigate over to the URL field. This is where you will define the destination of your link. Be sure to enter the complete URL, for instance https://yourwebsite.com, to ensure that the link works correctly. Here's where it gets a bit specific to open the link in a new tab. You'll need to add a particular flag to that URL. Simply append file blank to the end of your URL, so it should look something like this: https://yourwebsite.com for blank. This simple addition is what tells the browser to open the link in a new tab, providing a smooth browsing experience for your users. Once you've completed entering the URL with the necessary flag, go ahead and click on the Done button. This saves the link you just inputted and prepares it for publishing. With that set, there's just a few more steps to ensure everything is ready to go live on your site. Take a look at the top right corner of your editor where you'll see the Save icon. Click on that, and from the options presented, select Publish to a .carrd.so URL. Now it's time to give your URL a unique name, something easy to remember and relevant to your site's content. The final step in the editor is to publish these changes. Click on Publish Changes to make the link live on your site. After it's published, go ahead and click on View Site to see everything in action. Now the most crucial part, testing your link. Click on the element to ensure that it successfully opens in a new tab. This quick check is the last part of our process to confirm everything is set up correctly and working as expected. And there you have it, you've successfully configured a link to open in a new tab within Carrd. This simple enhancement can greatly improve user navigation and keep visitors on your site longer while still providing them the information they need. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Carrd.